things correctly, as I have the stainless steel vinyl-clad cable going through a length of PEX instead of just having it in the tree branches, because once it sits there, the tree, especially a pine, will go around an antenna line and lock it into place, and then you can't move it. It's there for good until something happens. So I came up with the idea of the PEX many years ago, and it works. You just loosen up the cable and it slides in and out of the PEX without much problem at all. So Vincent's the guy's name, and he did an incredible job. I've had him do other stuff, but you gotta be ready to part with about $1,200 just to have him do a lot of stuff. But once he starts in, he goes for almost 8 hours straight with a short break for lunch or whatever. But he just does not stop. You really get your money's worth, but still it's expensive. So when Ty, the plow guy, showed up, he said, oh, he was talking with Tyler. They were out over New Year's Eve partying, and Tyler said he's getting back into the business. He's been doing tree service for another company, but he's acquired a bucket truck, and was curious, and he asked Ty if I might be interested, and I said, of course. He has done a lot, so I think this summer may be a year that a number of ants that I've been wanting to get put up will get put up finally. So that's the story. So that's exciting news to me. Well, I'm working on a transmitter project. I've got a Globe high bander that right now I'm putting a fairly sophisticated push-to-talk circuit in it. So I'm going to get back to that while listening into this Hi-Hi Fine Business Group. K1 ETP from WA1H YLR. Just so that it fell, the top part fell beyond the cables, the bottom part fell just short of the beam. Maybe a foot to spare, I was holding my breath a lot.